Top Python interview questions for MNCs.
1. Basics of Python question. 1. What are Python's key features? Why is it popular? Answer. Python is interpreted. Code is executed line by line. Dynamic. Variables don't need explicit type declarations. Object-oriented. Supports OOP principles like inheritance and polymorphism. Easy to learn. Simple syntax similar to English. Extensible. Integrates with C++ code. Versatile, used in web development, data analysis, AI, ML, automation, etc. Question 2. Explain Python's dynamic typing. Answer. Python is dynamically typed, meaning the type of a variable is determined at runtime, not in advance. Example. Question 3. How is Python interpreted? Answer. Python converts source code into bytecode, which is executed by the Python virtual machine, PVM. This process doesn't require compiling into machine-level instructions. Question 4. What are Python's namespaces? Answer. A namespace is a container where variable names are mapped to objects. Types. Local namespace, inside a function. Global namespace, script level. Built-in namespace, core Python functions, e.g., print. Question 5. What is PEP8 and why is it important? Answer. PEP8 is the style guide for Python code, promoting readability and consistency. Example. Indent with 4 spaces, limit line length to 79 characters. Question 6. How is memory managed in Python? Answer. Automatic garbage collection, removes unused objects. Reference counting, tracks the number of references to an object. Private heap space, memory allocation is managed internally. Second, data types. Question 1. What are Python's built-in data types? Answer. Key types include numeric, int, float, complex, sequence, list, tuple, range, text, str, set, frozen set, mapping, dict, boolean, bool, binary, bytes, byte array, memory view. Question 2. How are lists different from tuples? Answer. Lists, mutable, can be changed. Example, my list 0 equals 10. Tuples, immutable, cannot be changed. Example, my tuple equals 1, 2, 3. Question 3. Explain mutable versus immutable data types with examples. Answer. Mutable can be changed, e.g., lists, dictionaries. Immutable cannot be changed, e.g., strings, tuples. Example. Question 4. What is the difference between is and equals in Python? Answer. Is checks if 2 objects have the same memory address. Checks if 2 objects have the same value. Example. 3. Data structures. Question 1. Explain Python's built-in data structures. Answer. List, ordered, mutable, allows duplicates. Tuple, ordered, immutable, allows duplicates. Set, unordered, mutable, no duplicates. Dictionary, key value pairs, mutable, no duplicate keys. Question 2. How does Python handle sets, and how are they different from lists? Answer. Sets store unordered, unique elements. Lists allow duplicates and maintain order. Example. Question 3. How do dictionaries work internally in Python? Answer. Dictionaries use hash tables to store key value pairs. Keys are hashed to determine their index in the table. Example. 4. Functions. Question 1. What are asterisk args and keyword args in Python? Answer. Args allows a variable number of positional arguments. Quargs allows a variable number of keyword arguments. Example. Question 2. Explain the difference between a shallow copy and a deep copy in functions. Answer. Shallow copy copies the reference of the object. Deep copy copies the entire object. Example. Question 3. How do you define a lambda function in Python? Answer. Lambda is an anonymous function. Example. Question 4. What is a decorator in Python? Provide an example. Answer. Decorators modify a function's behavior. Example. 5. Object-oriented programming. OOP. Question 1. Explain the principles of OOP in Python. Answer. Encapsulation, hiding data using private protected attributes. Abstraction, hiding implementation details, exposing only functionality. Inheritance, reusing code by inheriting classes. Polymorphism, methods behave differently based on the object. Question 2. What is the difference between class methods, static methods, and instance methods? Answer. Instance methods operate on instance variables, take self as the first argument. Class methods operate on class variables, take CLS as the first argument, and use the @class method decorator. Static methods, independent of class or instance, use @static method decorator. Example. Question 3. How is inheritance implemented in Python? Answer. Inheritance allows creating a class, child, that inherits methods and attributes of another class, parent. Example. Question 4. What is the purpose of super in Python? Answer. Super allows access to methods of the parent class in the child class. Example. Six. Exception handling. Question 1. How does Python handle exceptions? Answer. Python uses try-except blocks. Example. Question 2. What is the difference between try-except and try-finally? Answer. Try-except handles exceptions. Try-finally ensures cleanup regardless of exceptions. Example. Question 3. Explain the use of raise in Python. Answer. Raise is used to manually raise exceptions. Example. 7. Modules and packages. Question 1. What is the difference between a module and a package in Python? Answer. Module, a single Python file containing code. Package, a directory containing modules and an __init_py file. Question 2. How do you import a module in Python? Answer. Use the import statement. Example. Question 3. Explain the significance of _init_py. Answer. __init_.py marks a directory as a package and can include initialization code. 8. File handling. Question 1. How do you open, read, and write files in Python? Answer. Example. Question 2. What is the difference between with open and open? Answer. With open automatically closes the file after its block execution. Question 3. How do you handle binary files in Python? Answer. Use B mode. Example. (9) Advanced Python. Question 1. What are Python generators and how are they different from iterators? Answer. Generators, functions that yield values lazily using yield. Iterators, objects implementing the __iter, __, and __next __ methods. Example. Question 2. Explain the global interpreter lock GIL. Answer. The GIL is a mutex in Python that allows only one thread to execute in the interpreter at a time, ensuring thread safety. Question 3. What are Python metaclasses? Answer. Metaclasses define the behavior of classes. They control class creation. Example. Question 4. What are coroutines in Python? Answer. Coroutines allow pausing and resuming functions. Use async and await. Example. 10. Multithreading and concurrency. Question 1. How does Python handle threading? Answer. Python uses the threading module for multithreading. However, due to the GIL, threads don't run in parallel for CPU-bound tasks. Question 2. What is the difference between threading and multiprocessing in Python? Answer. Threading, for I/O-bound tasks, shares memory. Multiprocessing, for CPU-bound tasks, each process has its memory. Question 3. Explain the Asyncio module. Answer. Enables asynchronous programming with non-blocking I/O operations. Uses async and await keywords. Example. (11) Libraries and frameworks. Question 1. Explain the use of NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib in Python. Answer. 1. NumPy. A library for numerical computation. Provides support for multidimensional arrays and matrix operations. Useful functions. NumPy.array, NumPy.linealg for linear algebra, NumPy.ft for Fourier transforms. Example. 2. 2. Pandas. A library for data manipulation and analysis. Provides data frame and series objects to handle structured data. Example. 3. Matplotlib. A library for data visualization. Supports creating plots like line charts, histograms, and scatter plots. Example. Question 2. What is Flask/Django? How are they used in Python? Answer. 1. Flask. A lightweight web framework. Ideal for small-scale applications and APIs. Example. 2. Django. A high-level web framework. Supports rapid development with features like ORM, admin panel, and authentication. Example. Question 3. How does PyTest work for testing? Answer. PyTest is a framework for unit testing. Tests are written as functions with assert statements. Use markers like @PyTestMark parameterize for parameterized testing. Example. 12. Database interaction. Question 1. How do you connect to a database in Python? Answer. Use libraries like SQLite3 or PsychoPG2. Example with SQLite. Question 2. What is the difference between SQLite and PostgreSQL modules in Python? Answer. 1. SQLite. Lightweight and file-based. Use SQLite3 library. 2. PostgreSQL. Robust and server-based. Use PsychoPG2 library for advanced features like transactions and replication. Question 3. How is the SQL Alchemy library used? Answer. An object relational mapper, ORM, for database interaction. Provides a high-level abstraction for SQL queries. Example. (13) Data science and machine learning. Question 1. How do you load and process data in Python? Answer. Use Pandas for structured data. Example. Question 2. What is the difference between scikit-learn and TensorFlow? Answer. 1. Scikit-learn, library for classical machine learning algorithms like regression, classification. Example. Random forest classifier, k-means. 2. TensorFlow, library for deep learning and neural networks. Provides support for GPU acceleration. Question 3. How are Python's data science libraries used for visualization? Answer: 1. Matplotlib, basic plotting. 2nd Seaborn, statistical data visualization. 3. Plotly, interactive visualizations. Example.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Your support means the world to me. See you in the next video.